Tomorrow's the series.
Tomorrow's
Just
just
this film. How do you feel about it?
It feels like an afterthought to the series.
Okay.
If obviously there was no grand plan of here are the 5 movies we're going to make, but it just felt like this one didn't build on what was presented before it.
Okay.
Like it was a missed opportunity.
Right.
Yeah.
Are you an Apes fan now?
Well, I like the new ones. I like some of these.
Okay. I'm asking simply because you had so little experience.
Yeah.
By and large, you had not seen the majority of the films.
Yeah.
Having watched this again, I was thinking about this in the drive. I drove down to Sean's house today, so I came down into Dallas proper and had that 30 minutes to think. And I had a podcast going where they were talking about Logan's Run, movie I love out of the 70s. And it really, the funny thing is, I don't know if you ever do this, Sean, with podcasts. Do you ever occasionally, your mind just wanders away from what they're talking about?
Yeah.
They're talking, and I'm sort of half taking it in, but all I kept thinking was, I loved this movie as a child, and I don't know as an adult if I can ever watch it again. Because this may be, Beneath is a colossal train wreck of a film. I might not watch this film more than, I'll watch Beneath more than I'd watch this. This is just kind of bleh.
I've spent so much time with these movies. I wonder if I will ever watch them straight through.
I've wondered that too.
Well, and that's it. I would watch Battle again, but I would never put it on.
Yeah. If it was on TV,
it was the middle of the afternoon and it comes on AMC or whatever, I'm like, okay, cool, I'll watch this. Yeah, that's how I feel about this one.
I kind of, thinking ahead to the new films, I almost feel like with those, I could see myself, even once we do break them down, I could see myself wanting to watch those again because I've not seen them as many times as I've already seen these. And now to break them down like this, it's just, again, this one, I know there are bound to be people that this is their favorite of the films. This one, just for me, is almost impossible to watch. I'm so relieved that tomorrow's the last day of this movie. And that says a lot because the next one we move on to, I am going to be probably the biggest bitcher of them all.
Oh, yeah. And it's a long one.
It is. Has anybody got anything else you want to add in?
No, that's it for me.
All right. We'll be back tomorrow with minute 87 to wrap this up, to tell you the future, who knows about the future? We do. We're going to tell you what the fuck we know.
Wait, are we dead?
Are we?
Only the future knows. All right. We'll be back tomorrow. Everyone have a great day.
Bye.
Bye, everybody.
The minute of the